Chalo, chalo, chalo. There was, I don't know, the stream was not starting. So again, very, very good evening to everyone. I hope I'm audible as well as visible, and I welcome you all to Oliveboard. So again, just confirm this anyone whether my voice is audible as well as visible. You guys can see me, hear me clearly. Chalo, sir. Just a quick confirmation on that. So just do let me know whether I'm audible, visible to everyone. I am audible as well as visible to everyone. Chalo. Hopefully, I'm up. Chalo. So again, let's do one thing before I get into the questions. The like for that was there for today. Just let me, for those who are new, who are joining us for the first time, let me just talk about this. This is SSC Super Practice. Our everything is fine. Panmay, thank you so much, brother. Thank you for confirming. Now, this is our super practice, the new offering, the newest offering. So this is exclusive for our super elite candidates. You don't need to pay anything for this. This is completely free. So where you will get 1,000+ tests along with total 7 levels of QRE, 6 here, and also the speed improvement test, and covering both tier 1 as well as tier 2. So again, just before the like this thing, the CGL CHSL examinations, this might just be the best practice tool that you can get your hands on. So how to do the practice? Say, let's say, just go into anything. Say simplification, say percentage. You will find level 1, 2, 3, 3 levels of QRE. So this is definitely, like as the name suggests, level 3 will be the hardest. Then past year questions, one test based on the past year questions. Most repetitive questions from the previous years, you will find this. Then the final will be the speed improvement, and last but not the least will be revision tests. So this will be there. So this total 7 levels for each and every subtopic. Not only chapter, we have broken it down to subtopic levels. So as you guys can see here. Okay, so this was something I wanted to talk about first. Now let's move into our test. So again, this is the test that like we'll be doing. Let me just quickly submit the test. चलो हमने submit भी कर दिया. अच्छा. So first question that we'll do will be this one, sir. First question of the quant section. Now before I start, I would really like to know how was that like the test for everyone. Was it good? Felt difficult? How much did you score? So was it above 40? So if you have scored above 40, that can be considered good. If you have scored above 45, that can be considered to be very, very, very good. And if you're scoring less than 40, you still need to do a little bit of work on this section. That's all. Chalo, sir. First question. This is given, they're asking something. First things first. You see, I don't really need to figure out the ratios because sine is given, cosec they have asked. So sine will be set 3 by 7. So directly from here, can I write this will be set 7 by 3. Cosec A. Put down the values. 14 into 7 by 3 minus 9. 7 plus 10 into 7 by 3. So if you calculate, sir, 98 minus 27, 71, sir. And this one, sir, 71, that means this or this, both can be the answers because 71 or kuch nahi kar sakte. So 70 plus this is 7, sir. 97, sorry, 3 sevens are 21, sorry, 91. 91 divided by 3 in the denominator, sir. 3 cancel, 71 by 91 will be the answer. Option number A. Option number A, 71 by 91 will be the answer. Very simple question. Very, very, very simple question to start with. Chalo, let's move on. ये क्या है सर? टाइम एंड वर्क का क्वेश्चन. चलो पढ़ लेते हैं सर. 9 by 25th part of the work is done by Garva and Sarva in these many days. Acha, that means total work done by them will be said 18 times 9 parts out of 25 parts in these many days. So total, the whole part will be into 25 by 9, sir. 9 twos are this. So the 100% of the work will be done in 50 days, sir. That is by Garva and Sarva. Alok can complete in 300 days. Very good. Sarva is this much more efficient than Alok. Acha, let's do one thing, sir. Garva plus Sarva and Alok, sir. The time ratio I know, sir, 50 ratio 300. So efficient, that means, sir, 1:6. So if this is time ratio, then efficiency ratio must be this. Efficiency ratio must be this. Now, Sarva is 33. So Sarva ka bhi we can figure out the efficiency. 33 whole 1/3 means 1/3 more efficient. So, but again, the problem, it is than Alok. Now, if that means, if Alok is 3, Alok's efficiency is 3, Sarva's efficiency is 1 more. That means 3 plus 1, 4, sir. So, let's calculate this. So, that means I need to multiply this by 3. So, this means this is 18 actually, this is 3, and this is like 4. Now, what they're asking, Garva can alone complete 7/10 of the work in how many days? Sir, Garva plus Sarva can do 18 units every day. Out of that, Sarva is doing 4. Out of that, Sarva is doing 4, sir. कुछ हमने गलत तो नहीं किया ना? I hope so. Hope not, sir. That means Garva akele. Garva is doing 14 units every day. Now, 7/10 of the work. 7/10 of the work. So now total work we haven't calculated. Let's calculate from anything. Any of these ratios will work, sir. Sir, इसी को लेते हैं, sir. Garva plus Sarva. They are doing 18 units every day. They are doing 7/10 of total work, sir, 18 units every day, and they are taking 50 days to complete, sir. Correct? So this is total work by who will do it now? Like it will be done by Garva alone. So that means by 14. So 7 say 2, 10 say 5, 2 say 9. So 5 9s are 45 days I'm getting as my answer. Option number 1, sir. Option number 1, sir. It was not an easy mock for no. It's okay, brother. You see, it's all about understanding where you are lacking. देखो, mocks का marks are important from which aspect? Not from exactly how much you have scored. It is about understand where are you standing when you compare yourself to the other candidates. That's the best way of using mocks. And please deal with a little bit of your like whatever, like how can I say this? The best way to put this out is like you must have made some strategies for yourself. Try those, fine tune those strategies. And as it like if you so please understand, how will you understand that this strategy is the one, not that one? Like the whenever by using a certain strategy you are scoring the maximum marks, that means that is the strategy, like that you can say this is the one form. But again, mostly use this mock, the mocks for like betterment of yourself. So say for example, this was a question which required you to think a little bit. Not exactly a cup of tea, like dekho ho gaya, aisa nahi tha. But again, that doesn't make it very difficult. So please understand, you just have this goal. Ki, sir, if I'm struggling in time and work question in this mock, next week's mock, I will prepare time and work in such a manner that I don't struggle there. So ऐसे इसको use करो. देखो, we will have 4 or 5 mocks only like before the final exam of CGL, right? If you take it like this. So use these mocks to maximum advantage. Chalo. Ashu and Neha running. This is the track length. Acha, circular track. So speed is given. They start from the same point, opposite direction. Sir, at the second time they are asking, don't worry, sir. Second time, third time, that doesn't matter, sir. After how many seconds they will meet at any point? They have not told us. I've told you 3 types of question comes. Mostly 2 types. Meeting at the starting point and meeting at any points. This is the second type. You can meet at any points here. पता नहीं ये क्या हो रहा है? अच्छा, ठीक है? So this is the meeting at any point. So what do you do? Just total is, sir, 5200 track length divided by, sir, divided by this relative speed. Relative speed, sir, they are moving in the opposite direction. So relative speed will be plus. 62, 38 means 100, sir. So they will meet each other at any point after 52 seconds. Or rather, think like this. They will meet each other at any point after every 52 seconds. So first time they will meet at a 52. Second time they will meet after another 52. Meaning total 104 seconds. Dekho option number A. Option number A once again is the correct answer. Nothing to be very, like nothing was here that was very difficult. It's very simple. It was very pretty simple actually. So एक second रुक जाओ ना सर. ये क्या चक्कर है? Why it is not? चलो अभी सही है. So Raman deposited a certain amount in a bank. After receiving certain amount, first year he received a compound interest this much. Interest they have given. Acha, this much also. Okay. Rate of interest, sir. Sir, exactly similar question. Very, very similar question with a very weird value was asked, I guess, 3 or 4 years back in CAT. 2021 के आसपास, 2020 or 21, most probably. I don't really remember. This is a very interesting concept which most of you guys neglect. Let me just show you. Let me just talk about the concept. Let's say I have kept 1,000 rupees in a bank and the bank is giving me 10% CI, compound interest per annum. So first year I'll get 100 rupees as the interest. Second year my principal will become 1100 and I'll get 10% of that, 110. Again, sir, it will become 1210. I'll get 121 rupees. Then I'll get, sir, 1330. Oh, sorry, 1331, sir. Then I'll get, sir, 133.1 rupees, 10%. Now you see the thing that you guys miss, or thing that we tend to miss. So, dekho, ultimately what is happening, sir? If 10% is the rate of interest, everything it is, you see, this is 110% multiplication. Again, take 110% of 1100, you will get this. This is 110%. So that means the amount goes in the multiplication to the power. We know the formula. But the missing point is, sir, you see the same multiple, whatever is the multiple here, same will be the multiple here as well, sir. Dekho, this is also 110%. This is also 110% or 1.1 multiple. So whichever you prefer. So meaning what I'm trying to say here, this is not only amount or principal, the interest also gets multiple, or multiplied with the by the same multiple. It will also become always 110. So meaning, sir, 5500 became 6,000 in the next year, meaning increment of 500 rupees. So meaning this is a multiple or percentage of what? Percentage of this part. So this is, they are asking. And they can understand, please, this whatever is extra. So if this 110% means 100% plus 10%. So can I say ye jo? So if this is the case, so this 5,500 is becoming 6,000, meaning 500 extra. Why this 500? Because if I multiply with 100%, 5500, like 00 will remain 5500. So this extra 10% is causing this 500. Not exactly 10%, whatever is the rate of interest. That extra percentage is causing this extra 500 rupees. So percentage nikalo, that is your rate of interest. You see, because the extra whatever, that is the rate of interest. You see, always the same. So you can go like this. 00005. So 1 by 11 is 9.09%, sir. Rate of interest approximately, so 9% B is the answer. 9% B is the answer. Now this is the smartest way. This is not part of the question. This is just for understanding. So this is a single line solution of compound interest. Perfect, I hope. I hope this is clear, sir. I hope this is absolutely clear to everyone. If anyone here has any doubts, please feel free to ask, sir. Feel absolutely free. Ye bhi acha question. So this is also a very, very, very good question. You see, very interesting question. You will say, this is given. Ye kaise niklega? You will say, let's take sec theta or sec A is root over of tan square, like 1 plus tan square. But again, you see, this is very interesting. Why? Because please understand, if I write this, sec A is directly I'm writing x plus 1 by 4x. Can everybody here understanding this? ये सबको समझ में आ रहा है sir? Sir, you will say, sir, no, sir, why this happens? Please, let us understand. Sir, देखो, sir, sec A, we all know, root over of 1 plus tan square A, sir. Or rather, I'm writing tan square A plus 1. Tan square A will be, sir. Arey yaar. Extremely sorry. This 1 by 4 is playing actually the magic. So this is whole square, sir. Plus 4AB. देखो ना, sir, if I cancel this 4x with 4x, ultimately it is giving us this 1. This 1 is here, and tan is this. And you see a minus b whole square plus 4ab gives you a plus b whole square. So that means square root hata do, so you will get this. But again, by seeing this 4, if you can get the idea directly, that will save a lot of time for you in the exam. And देखो अभी तो कोई भी कर लेगा sir. दोनों का plus minus है sir. So this thing minus this thing. So x will cancel, this will become plus. So the answer will be 1 by 2x. 1 by 4x plus 1 by 4x. Option number A again is the answer. So it looks like someone with a name just like mine have kind of made the question. Because my name also starts with A. All the options are also A till now, right? So whoever has made this, kind of, they are very, very much in love with the letter A. Chalo, badhiya hai. Now, on the tag price, a seller offers 18% discount and a cashback. Okay, sir. Still earns a 20 profit. अच्छा sir, सब तब तो sir देखो, CP I know, profit I know. Can I get SP? SP will be, sir, 20% of this is 480 rupees. 24 twos are 480. So it will be, sir, 2880 rupees. SP. मिल गया sir. Now I can get, so they are asking the tag price. I don't know tag price. Again, you can either go directly or I'm just going it because most of you guys will better understand this one. Tag price is this, then SP will be what, sir? So discount of 18%. Meaning, sir, it will be, sir, 82x. But not that, sir. Again, a cashback of 650. ये भी दे दो, sir. So that is equal to this because both are, sir, SPs. So from there, X will become 2880 plus 650 by 82. But again, I don't need X. I need 100X. So into 100, sir. Chalo, calculate, sir. 34 and 130. 34, 30 hai na? 30, this is already 34. 35, 30, sir. Baapre. Sir, 84, acha, so everything is, chalo, let's do. 82 fours are 328, meaning 23, 25 remaining, 250. So 83s are, so again, 43 point something will be the answer. Check na, sir, 4, 3 hai dekho. Sir, 4, 3 se only one answer is there. So that has to be the answer. So in these situations, I've told you multiple times, do not do the entire thing. Because you see, 4 is common in every option, but this next like kind of the number after 4 is not common. So we'll only try to figure out that next number. Baki kuch nahi karenge, sir. Baki, sir, kuch nahi karenge. That's done. Chalo, next one. Next one, sir. The ratio of VIP to regular concert ticket prices is 7:4. Okay, sir. So this is VIP. This is regular. Achha, ratio of number of tickets is 2:5, sir. Okay. Total revenue is this. Array, sir, ye to. So revenue connection is number of tickets into the price of each ticket. Or like calculate, sir, 14. Achha, काम करोगे, sir. ये देखो कट जाएगा, sir. This will cancel actually first. और कुछ नहीं है, और कुछ नहीं, sir. So it is easier, sir. 7:10. 3 rupees का, sir, अच्छा. Total is 51. Meaning, sir, 17 parts is equal to 51,000. So one part is 3,000, sir. One part. So they are asking collection for regular ticket holders, that means 10 parts ka value. 10 into 3000, 30,000, option A is the answer. And again, the love affair with option A continues. The love affair with option A continues. चलो बढ़िया है सर. ये क्या है सर? Base hexagonal prism. Okay, sir. Hexagonal prism means it's a uniform cross section area. So area of the base into height will be what? That will be your like volume. Acha. So base area of the base is given 3 root 3 x squared by 2 into height, sir. Height is at 20 root 3. That is equal to the volume that is given 7560. ये तो कुछ नहीं था. तो बहुत easy question है sir. ये 10 ये 10 कैंसिल रूट थ्री 3 इज 9 9 से कर दो सर 9 9 7 9 63 75 8 9 72 36 मींस 4 तो x स्क्वायर 784 मींस x is 28 सर x is 28 सर ऑप्शन नंबर करेक्ट x is definitely 20 सिंपल क्वेश्चंस ये तो इससे इजी तो कुछ नहीं था एक क्वेश्चन हमको मिला था जो थोड़ा कैलकुलेटिव हो सकता था बट अगेन अदर देन दैट आई डोंट थिंक देयर इज एनी क्वेश्चन व्हिच इज वेरी इवन कैलकुलेटिव इवन इट्स वेरी सिंपल जल्दी वर्क करने वाला सैलरी ऑफ ए इज दिस मच मोर देन बी ओके इनकम एक्सपेंडिचर सर ए इज हियर बी इज हियर सर इनकम इज सैलरी एक्सपेंडिचर and the other like part will be savings sir A is 30% more than B acha B is 100, this is 130 if you don't want to do. But again, if you want to do 1310, it will be better. Expenditure of B is 20% more than the expenditure of A. अच्छा. I don't actually know that. चलो ठीक है एक बार कर लेते हैं. 20% means 1/5. So if A's expenditure is 5 rupees, like B's is 1 rupee more, that is 6 rupees. If the expenditure of B is 3/4 times the savings of A, acha, savings of A I don't know. Acha, savings of A is given 8,000 rupees. Okay, बढ़िया sir. So expenditure of savings of B will be what? Expenditure of B is 3/4. 3/4 means this is 6,000. So 6 parts ka value 6,000. So A 5 parts ka value will be 5,000. बढ़िया sir. Now, if this is 5,000, please understand everyone. So this is 5,000 and this is 8,000. We all know income is equal to expenditure plus savings. So income will be sir 5 plus 8, 13,000. So 13 parts ka value aa gaya sir 13,000. That means the equation like the ratio is already balanced. We don't need to manipulate anything. So again, bahut badhiya. They are asking what savings of B. Sir, if this is 13,000, this will be 10,000. So 10,000 income, 6,000 expenditure. Savings sir 4,000 rupees. Khatam ho gaya sir. Khatam. Option D is the answer. Now they have shifted to option D. Now for the first time they have actually shifted to option D. Badhiya sir. Chalo. How many factors of 2 to the power 4 plus 3 to the power 8, 5 to the power 4, 7 square are divisible by 6. So divisible by 6 means I need power of 2 and power of 3, but not by 30. Everybody. Sir, please understand. 6 into how much is 30? So you will say any 5 will give you 30, sir. कुछ भी 5 रह गया तो multiple of 6 multiplied by any 5 will be a multiple of 30, sir. तो सर 5 को ही हटा दो ना सर. Just figure out number of factors. 5 here, 9 here, 3 here, sir. देखो ना कितना है 27. अच्छा एक सेकंड मैंने कुछ गलत कर दिया ना. Divisible by 6 तो होना चाहिए. नहीं सर वी हैव टू डू इट. इतना जल्दी नहीं होगा. वी हैव टू डू इट. चलो ठीक है मैनुअली करते सर. मैनुअली कर सर. डिविजिबल बाय 6 पहले वो निकालो सर. लेट्स फिगर इट आउट. Divisible by 6 है ना because 5 का power say if it is 6 square then I will need 2 5s as well. Otherwise it will not be a like 130 but the second 30 will not form. चलो ठीक है ऐसे ही करते हैं. Still एक बार. No sir. चलो इधर आ जाओ. divisible by 6. Acha, divisible by 6 means I have to like make my, so that like I told you bouncer concept, so I have to make 6 my bouncer. 6 को bouncer मतलब 2 into 3 is the bouncer. 6 is this. So एक कम कर दो 2 cube, इसको एक कम कर दो, बाकी तो रहेगा सर. So number of factors 4 into 8 32 into 5 into 3 15. So 32 320 160 480 sir. So meaning these 480 factors are divisible by 6. But again, out of these 480, there will be many factors which are also divisible by 30. So let's figure that out. How many out of these are divisible by 30 itself? कैसे निकलेगा sir? Make 30 your bouncer now. 30 means 3 into 2 into 5. So make it 2 into 3 into 5. This is my bouncer guarding my door. So again, बचा कुचा लिख दो. So 2 to the power 3 remaining, 3 to the power 7 remaining, 5 to the power 3 remaining into such 7 square. So calculate it. This is 4 into 8 into 4 into 2. Sorry, 3. Sir, 16, 128. 16 and 8. So 64, 128. 128 into 3, sir. कितना आया सर? अच्छा काम करो, better way. No, 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 no. नहीं चलो normally करते. 128 आ गया. 128 into 3 sir. 120 into 3 means 390 से थोड़ा कम. 390 से 6 less. 384 sir. देखो brain fade हो गया था. So how many they are? 480 minus 384. 96 will be the answer. हाँ 96 नहीं है. तब तो रुक जाओ सर. 96 is not there. But I'm quite certain 96 ही होने वाला है. गलत तो नहीं किया ना. 4 8 32 and sir this is 5 3 15 480. 320 plus 160 480. Perfect. And this one sir, 4 here, 8 here, 32, 4 into 3 12, 320 64 384. नहीं सेम ही तो है सर. रुक जाओ सर. I have to mark something to get to the answer. रुक जाओ क्या है इन्होंने. अरे सोल्यूशन नहीं दिखाएगा. अच्छा व्यू सोल्यूशन देखते हैं ना सर. No, this is not right. अरे ये 196 ही होगा सर. This is not right. So 96 will be the answer. 96 will be the answer. 96 has to be the answer. This is wrong. ये question wrong है भाई. But like not the question is not wrong sir. The solution is wrong. Solution is wrong. I'll have to check. 96. I'll talk to the team about this. ठीक है ये गलत है सर. 96 must be the correct answer without any delay. सर चलो next one please make sure. वो तब तो किसी को पूरा मार्क्स नहीं आना चाहिए. Don't know. चलो. Which branch the number of boys enrolled is 25% nearest more than the girls? अच्छा boys will be more. So that means this can never be the answer. ये अच्छा बाकी में हो सकता है. 25% more. सर 25% ये कितने का गैप है? अच्छा चलो ये 120 का गैप आउट ऑफ 360 सर 1/3. नॉट पॉसिबल. 25% आई नीड. सर ये तो हो ही नहीं सकता. दिस इज 100 मोर आउट ऑफ 3 सर वही 1/3. नो नॉट पॉसिबल सर. दिस इज सर 80 मोर आउट ऑफ 280. सर 1/4 आता है सर. नहीं सर ये बहुत लाइक इट्स वे ऑफ. So this is 4, this is 14, or rather 7, and so this is 2. 2/7 is 28.56%. नहीं हो सकता सर. Let's see. Again, nearest पूछा है तो we have to check. Last one is 80 less ना sir. Out of 340, this might be the answer. Slightly less than 100 होगा sir. Sir, this is 17, this is 4. 400/17. हाँ सर यही सर. 25 से थोड़ा ज्यादा है. So this has to be the answer. Option E. Option E नहीं मतलब school E. School E will be the answer. That is option D. That's the correct answer. Simple. Not difficult. A little bit of idea required. Average of next questions. average of 22 consecutive odd numbers is this. Okay, sum of the, sir. Achha, two ways always, sir. If there are 22 numbers, na, consecutive odd numbers, 24 is the average. So 22 means 22nd number, 22nd, like third number. So the middle value is 24, sir. So meaning, sir, this is 23, this is, sir, 25. This is what? 22 consecutive numbers, meaning this is the 11th number and this is the 12th number, sir. Correct? So what will be the least or the smallest number and what will be the largest number? Sir, Hamesha, sir. Remember, just always remember, 23 is this 11th number. So just like it will be, that means 10 2 like less, because if between the distance or the difference between any two consecutive odd or maybe even, though those will be 2 each. So do karke 10 bar ghatana hai. You have to reduce it by 2 for 10 times because there are 10 gaps. So 10 gaps means 20 minus kar do, sir. So that means it will be 3, sir. 10 2, sir. And again you need to, so that means it will be minus 20 you need to do because there are 10 gaps. And again, what you need to do here? You need to do plus 20, sir. So it will become 45. They are asking square of this, sum of the squares of this. Sir, 45 means 4 5s are 20, 25 square, and this is a 9. So 2034 is the answer. 2034 is the answer, option number 1. Option number 1, sir. I can't even. 23 right, 1 wrong, 1 unattempted. I guess I know the one attempted question. I guess I know your unattempted question. Let's see. Trigonometry ke liye, brother, you need to take the hybrid approach if you want to do every question. That is, you need to know how to put values. Also, you need to know how to use the identities. Because that is the only way. Chalo na dekhte. In an enchanted realm of King X, Vapre, a maid stands exactly between, halfway between two ancient world, like towers. Okay. वो देखो trigonometry का question आ गया, sir. ठीक है? From exactly the middle point, I guess something like this will happen. Tower P and Tower Q. Gaze upwards, he notices Tower Q at an angle of 30 degree. This is Tower Q. And Tower P is 60 degrees. Ratio of the height, sir. Sir, use the 9, 30, 60, 90 triangle. Use the 30, 60, 90 triangle. I told you multiple times. This is 60 means this is 30. Sir, opposite is 1. Now this is 30. So that means if this is 1, so this is midpoint. So this must also be 1, this part. 1 unit, 1 part, whatever you call it. But 30 opposite 1 hota hai, sir. And this is 60 degree then. So this opposite always is root 3. So if one part is root 3, that means this part must also be root 3. So meaning here one part is equal to root 3 in this triangle, left one. And 60 opposite is already root 3, sir. So one part is root 3. So root 3 parts will be into root 3. So that means this is 3 units. So height of tower P is 3 units. Height of tower Q have taken 1. They are asking what? P to Q, that is 3:1. Height ratio will be 3:1. Because this is always best to go with the 30, 60, 90 triangle, as I've told you multiple times. Don't take equations and something. Garbar karega. Length of the minutes hand of a clock is given. So radius given. Total traveled in 12 minutes means 1/5 of an hour, sir. This is 1/5 hours. Right? Chalo, sir. Minutes hand in the whole hour, that moves 360 degree. So in 1/5 of an hour, they will move 360 degree by 5. And sir, like what is the radius? Acha, radius kaise aata? Sir, please understand. So this is theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Total distance, that means the circumference. Theta is this, sir. Baitha do 360 cancels. And this will be said 2 pi into r is 15 and by this 5, sir. So answer will be 6 pi, sir. 6 pi, option number C. Option number C, 6 pi will definitely be the correct answer. देखो दो लाइन का क्वेश्चन, दो लाइन का क्वेश्चन है, सर. करेक्ट? करेक्ट, सर. चलो. अच्छा, what is the gain percentage? अच्छा, this is 6 for this. सर एक काम करो सर, डबल है ये सब हटा दो सर, परसेंटेज ही तो पूछा है. If you want 1200, 100, like 1150, that also works. No worries. 6 x का रेट है 120 rupees. CP is 20 rupees, right? For each egg. 120 by 6. 5 का रेट है ये. So SP is what? 115 meaning at 23 rupees. 115 by 5. So they are asking profit percentage. 3 rupees profit out of 20. Percentage means 100, sir. सर ये 15% का प्रॉफिट है. देखो इससे इजी हो ही नहीं सकता कुछ ऑप्शन ही. Nothing here can be easier than this, everyone. Nothing here can be easier than this. Everybody, I hope it is clear. I hope this thing is 100% clear, sir. I hope this is 100% clear. अरे यार, अच्छा. So again, if you're liking the solutions, please do hit that like. यही सिर्फ एक रिक्वेस्ट है आप लोगों से. PQR में अच्छा, all three equilateral triangle is. This means this is an equilateral triangle. Correct? चलो बढ़िया. PQR. O is a point interior such that these अच्छा, they have drawn perpendiculars to each of the sides. So they are named as X. And QR के ऊपर is Y. So this is Z. Perfect. Now OX is given, OY. अच्छा, these three lengths are given. Find the value. अरे सर ये तो simple है. Sir, remember always. Remember always. देखो, I'm not asking you to blindly remember anything. The blind formula is sum of these three equal to sir height. Sum of all three altitudes is height. But again, sir, why that happens? This is the reason that happens. Sir, if you take this, na, if you just join these three, you will get to see one thing, sir. Because the base of, because PQ, QR, RPR, both are same, like all three are the of same length because equilateral triangle. So again, whenever you like get the area, if you take, sir, this, the area of our triangle, this is, let's say, O is a point. So POQ, QOR, POR. The area of, the sum of the areas of these three triangles is equal to the sum of the area of the whole, or the area of the whole triangle. Now bases are same, base will half and base will take common and cancel. And from there you will get one particular relation. Is an A, that means the side length of any of the sides. It is equal to, sir, OX plus OY plus OZ. In my foundation batches, I've told you to remember this. Because if you are an advanced student, you must remember this. ये याद होना चाहिए. Now why that happens? If you want to get to this, so triangle POQ का area plus triangle OQR का area plus triangle POR का area will always be equal to the area of the whole triangle, that is PQR. Because I have broken triangle PQR, the bigger triangle, into three parts. So then that is from here you will get this particular relation. And again, if you didn't know this, please remember. Please remember now. It's very, very, very imperative or important to do so. Now you see, I know all three values. OX 3 root 3. OY sir 5 root 3. And OZ sir 4 root 3. So this is A. Sir, A will be what, sir? 5 plus 3, 12 root 3. पूछा क्या है sir? So 3A का value. You see, these are all 3A. So 3A will be, sir, 36 root 3. एक सेकेंड, हमने कुछ गलत कर दिया क्या? अरे यार, मैं कितना बड़ा पागल हूं. देखो इधर ये लिखना ही तो भूल गया. √3/2 है ना. मैंने बताया कि सर दिस इज इक्वल टू हाइट. इधर √3/2A is the height ना. So √3 divided by 2, √3 cancels. A becomes 24, sir. Extremely sorry. So 3A is 72, sir. 24 है ना. हाँ चलो. So option B is the answer. Option B, yes. अरे मैं गलत, मैं देखा ही नहीं. इधर मैंने डायरेक्ट A लिख दिया, पता नहीं why. Absolutely no idea why I've written. So this one's, sir, A plus B given, this is, अरे ये तो बहुत simple है. Take the whole square. So A square plus B square plus twice of AB means 8. That is equal to 2 √3 square is 12, sir. सर a square plus b square is 4. Any बच्चा will say. सर ये तो एक लाइन का क्वेश्चन था. ऑप्शन ए इज द आंसर. ऑप्शन ए इज द आंसर. अरे आजा भाई. चलो मूविंग ऑन. सर अ थीफ चेजेस, अच्छा वही सर 50 मीटर रिलेटिव वेलोसिटी और रिलेटिव स्पीड. सर डिस्टेंस बिटवीन देम दिस, and so the speeds are same direction, so relative speed will be minus 14.5 minus this 5, sir. That means the police will be able to catch the thief after 90 seconds, 10 seconds. अच्छा, which of the following true? सर ये तो सही है. And ये वाला सर ये तो किलोमीटर हो सकता है सर. Can it be kilometers? We don't need to again keep your eyes and ears open. It can never be kilometer. Only B is the answer, sir. Only B will be the answer. किलोमीटर कहां से आ गया? Perfect. Ratio between the radius of a circle side of an equilateral triangle is given. Acha sir. So sir, radius is 9x or 9k, whatever, 9k. That means 44 by 7 into 9k. That is circumference. 44 by 7 means 2 pi. That is equal to 198 by 7. चलो calculate कर लो. 90 से कर दो सर 22 होता है. So 9 से. So this is 4. Sorry, this is 2 sir. क्या पागल. 9 2 2, हाँ sir. So k is 1 by 9. हाँ, एक सेकेंड. k is 1 by 9. चलो ठीक है. तो 9k is 1 sir. So 4 parts will be, so 4k will be what? 4 by 9. एक सेकेंड, हमने कुछ गलत कर दिया क्या? Circumference of the circle is given 2 pi r. 7 and 7 cancels. 99 से ये 9 से 22. 22. अच्छा 1 by 2 था क्या? मैं I'm extremely sorry. मैं पागल हो गया. So k is 1 by 2. So this will be 2 sir. The equilateral triangle के side. So they are asking perimeter of the triangle. So 3 times that 6 will be the answer. Option A. Option A. चलो चलो चलो. Perfect. चलो 6 is the correct answer. चलो. So now the next one. चलो. In a seminar of 120 participants, 85 attended the morning session, 70 attended the afternoon session, and 20 attended neither. It's not either, it's neither. So meaning out of 120 participants, 20 participants have not given or attended any of the seminars. So how many of them have attended at least one seminar, sir? 100. Because 20% participants haven't kind of attended anything. Now, 85 morning में 70 afternoon में. That means that there must be some intersection, sir. This is morning, this is afternoon. Morning में sir total is 85 and this is sir 70. Now total sir 100. So that means how many people is there in this common area, sir? So the common area or the intersection, you see if I add all this, so it will be 85 plus 70. So this will give you 155. That means, but again, total candidates are 100. So how many in both? Sir, minus 100. That means 55. 55 is going to be the answer who have attended both. Who have attended. ठीक है? छोड़ दो भाई. बहुत लोगों का ये होता है. क्या करें? There are multiple people. Okay. So उनको थोड़ा issue होता है. It's okay. Absolutely okay. Chill. चलो. चलो सर. अच्छा. So from here you see it's very very simple. I can write next to the important because I can see all are like multiples of 5. So it is in the form of cube plus cube. You see, this is a cube plus b cube form almost. Correct? So if you go like this, so in that case, you just take this to this side. You're getting my point? You see, one thing, once you do this, You see, a cube plus b cube has a formula, sir, that gives you a plus b into a square, 5 squared is 10, minus ab plus b squared, sir. Perfect. Now you see this c is equal to what? This c is equal to 0 now, because I've taken this to this side. So anything into sir 0, the result can only be one thing, that is 0, sir. Okay? Option D is the correct answer. Option D, 0, is most definitely the correct answer. Perfect. चलो चलो सर 72. अच्छा ये नॉर्मल सिंप्लीफिकेशन है सर, नॉट वेरी डिफिकल्ट सर. 43 डिवाइडेड बाय 7 सर, into, because I'm changing this division into, ठीक है. So 14 will be here, 14 को मैं ऊपर लिख दिया, and you see for 28 plus 1 is 29 into 2 by 7 into this whole thing. चलो, this is 2 minus 2 by 5, that is 3 by 5. So 4 into 5 by 3. So that is 20 by 3. So 45 plus 20 will give you 65. एक second, just let me check. This is, sorry, 2 minus 2 by 5 था ना. Extremely sorry. So 2 minus 2 by 5 means that like 5 2s are 10, so 8 by 5. So it will become 4 into 5 by 8, sir. Correct? So this is 2, 5 by 2, 15 plus 5 by 2. 5 by 2 means, sir, 35 by 2, right? So into 35 divided by 2. कर लो calculation. You don't need to calculate the whole thing. You just need the idea. चलो ना, जितना हो सके करते. 7 into 2, 14, 14. और कुछ कर सकते सर? I do not think. अच्छा 5, ये 5 से जाएगा. 3, 3, 3, I don't think so. 650 into 43, ऐसा कुछ आ रहा है सर. This is how the things are looking. 43 by 7 into 14 2s are 28, 29 by 14 becomes 14 by 29 into 2 by 7, and this is, एक सेकंड, हमने एक टर्म ज्यादा ले लिया ना, हमने एक टर्म को ज्यादा ले लिया क्या? एक सेकंड. 43 by 7, this is this term, this is this term. अरे यार सॉरी, एक टर्म ज्यादा है, एक टर्म ज्यादा है सर. तब जाके मैंने एक बार सही किया ना. आई गेस ये टर्म नहीं होगा. एक सेकंड. So this is 10, 8 by 5, 4 into 5 by 8, 5 by 2, 15. So 35 by 2. This term will not be there. This term will not be there, sir. So 7, 2, 14 cancel, 7 5s are 35. हाँ sir, ये वाला हो. 430 divided by 29, sir. So this cannot be the answer. This cannot be the answer. This is too much, sir. ये ही answer हो सकता है. Option C. Option C is the only possible answer, sir. देखो, because just go with this 29 and 430, so slightly almost equal to 15 के आसपास. Perfect. बाप रे. Sold. Selling of, अच्छा, what is the difference between the selling price of all the rice 2019 and 2022 by all the farmers? अच्छा 2022 is 2019, so I'll need this line and this line. बाकी कुछ नहीं चाहिए सर. Sir, all the values in 2022 is greater, so simple है तब. Sir, this is how much? Sir, 4.1 का difference. This is how much, sir? 16. So this is 0.9. तो 16, 7, 6.9, sir. 6.9 का गैप है ना. सॉरी 7.1 का गैप. एक सेकंड. 9.8, 9 and 6 sir, 15. 15 है सर, 15, 15. हाँ सर, ठीक है, सही है. So this is how much more, sir? This is how much more? Sir, 0.3 and here 2. So all are plus, huh? This is 15 points, so this is 0.8 more, sir. And 9.8, so 3.7, 3.9, sir. चेक कर लो ना, ये दोनों हो गया 8. Six 6.7 plus 2, 6.9, 2.3, 0.8, sir. And this is 3.9. ठीक ही है ना? So this is 4 4s are 8. 2.3, this is 3.1. 3.1 means 738. So 18 is the answer. Meaning 18 in thousands hoga, I guess. So 18 or 18,000 ऐसा कुछ answer रहेगा, I don't know. Yeah, 18,000 is there. So option D is the correct answer. Not difficult. Simple. थोड़ा calculation दिया था. थोड़ा calculation दिया था भाई. वही. Now, quadrilateral, this is inscribed in a circle, sir. Circle, like it is cyclic quadrilateral, sir. Acha, center is given. Okay. TUVW. K. WKV 78. WKV, meaning this is K. This is 78 degrees, sir. Okay. KVU. K is here, V is here, U is here. This is 29. Okay, perfect. VTU. VTU. ये वाला पूछा है. VTU. अच्छा, this is given 61. Okay. WTV they are asking. WTV meaning they are asking this angle. Sir, ये तो कुछ नहीं था sir. It will be half of 78. ये सब 29, 61. We don't need anything. Why? It's a central angle. It is the angle made in the like circumference. So it will be always half. So 39 है क्या? ये देखो option B में बैठा है. It is there in option B. That will definitely be the answer. वही सर आंसर बनेगा. कुछ है नहीं. There is nothing. चलो और एक कर लेते हैं. ये क्या है सर? Shows the number of patients admitted in 2023. Okay. अच्छा, and the bar graph. अच्छा, दो ग्राफ है. Okay. अच्छा 20. So 2023 का डेटा, 2024 का डेटा. Question क्या है? How many hospitals had patients in 2024 that exceeded the average number of admissions in 2023 अच्छा, of all hospitals? So you need to figure out the average from here. Then एक लाइन का काम है. Average ढूंढते सर. Sir, the values are, so if you want to add na, it will create a lot of trouble. Best take some assume means, sir. 400 I'm taking as my assumed mean, sir. So 258 is how much less, sir? Achha, let me write it here on. 258 is how much less? 250, 150. So this will be, sir, 142. 155 is how much less, sir? 150, say this is 250. So 245. This is how much more? Plus 50. This is 217. This is 120 more. So just calculate, sir, 120 and this is, sir, minus 22. So this is plus 28. Correct? 215, 217. 220 say minus 25, minus 28, sir. So there is absolutely no difference. ये 400 ही आया क्या, sir? So 400 is coming out as our average. Subhash, बहुत दिन बाद देखा भाई. So 400 is average. They are asking how many are greater than 400, sir. Sir, 1, 2, 3. 3 hospitals are greater than 400. Answer will be 3, sir. Answer will be 3. That was the questions. That was all our questions, all our solutions. So this was, so again, the paper, I would say it was on the moderate level, not exact. There were a couple of questions which will take a little bit of time, but again, it was not difficult by any stretch. आप इसको difficult तो नहीं बता सकते. I hope everybody understood, and then that will then be all for the day. I'll again let's see you guys tomorrow with the sectional mock, and from there we'll move on again. Again, if you guys are preparing, this is the, so it doesn't matter wherever you are preparing from. Remember, this is the time to accelerate. Every second is of huge importance right now. So अच्छे से please focus. Use these mocks to find out, to figure out your weak areas. Focus on those. Make those strong. If you need any help, please feel free to reach out. So use the comment section for that purpose. I'll definitely reply. So again, thank you so much, everyone. I will then again see you guys tomorrow with the sectional mock. And if you have any doubts, anything, any discussions, any feedback, feel free to share it in the comment section. So again, thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye. Thank you so much.